Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, we are in the San Francisco Bay Area this weekend for a couple of things, and we decided to pull off at Panorama Park on Yerba Buena Island in San Francisco. This is technically part of San Francisco, but it's the island that separates the San Francisco Bay Bridge in two. So you can see it right behind me there, and then the whole city in the back is just beautiful. So I think I'm going to pull out, it's a little windy, so I think I'm going to pull out the Air75. And we'll do a little sightseeing. You ready? Let's go fly. All right, so I was gonna fly the Air75, but I turned it on and the VTX is like flashing, which is not what we want. So I'm pulling out the Air65 and we'll fly it around. It's a little bit windy, not horrible, but it is a little bit windy here. So we'll see how it goes. But again, we're on Yerba Buena Island in San Francisco. And this island is the halfway point between San Francisco and Oakland on the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge. Really pretty views of the bridge out in front of us and the city just out in front of us and off to the right. And then over to the left here, there is a cool monument that's up here. And then behind us is some more views of the bridge. So we'll just take off and fly around and we'll see how it goes. You ready? Let's go fly.
Let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever
all right.
we make it.
VTX is armed, DVR is armed, looking good. Let's take off. Look at that, look how pretty that is.
We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe.
I'm just gonna let it hover there for a second, it's so pretty.
Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we
Look at that.
I think everything we need.
Alcatraz over there where the reticle is.
And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes.
And down here is this cool monument. Look at that. Whoa, it's disorienting. Check that out. That's pretty cool, huh? Let's go up a little bit. There's Treasure Island over there.
Oh, this view of you, it's got everything.
And there's the other half of the Bay Bridge.
Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever
So pretty. Now, I didn't know that I was going to get to fly for sure when we came out here. Oh, look how far away the wind's blowing me already. I didn't know I was going to get the chance to fly for sure when I came out here. So I didn't bring any of my 4K drones. All I have is my tinywhoops. That's okay. Man, it's just so pretty. I just want to hang out here in the air and just look at it.
Paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
And Treasure Island over there. Wave hi, Mary. Right in front of you. Right behind you now. Here, let me turn around. Look at this. Look how cool this is.
Give me the experience, make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all the secret like the Pentagon. All these people
is it?
Asking me what we've been on. I know that it's bond.
Butterfly chasing me.
Watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yeah? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation. I play the Xbox. Good gracious. I'm so
alright.
Thank you.
I'm fighting the wind a little bit, so about 3 minutes is what I expect to get. So let me land this one and we'll change the batteries out. We get some fresh batteries. Sweet! Alright, let's change out for battery number 2. Alright, we have loaded the second battery for battery number 2. You ready? VTX is on. DVR is armed. Motors are armed. I'm going to take off fast.
Here to sing what I'm really on, giving dividends. I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, he ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you
oh, cool.
experience. Made me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all a secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people.
So pretty.
You know that it's blonde. They just wishing they could watch it blow, watch it go.
And again, so pretty over there.
Shaka song, ay, through the fire like a shaka song, ay, through the fire like I'm taking off. Like a rocket, I got wishes in my pocket. I can grant a couple things, girl, there really ain't no problem. Cause you, I swear she drives me crazy. Think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded.
Wow. Well, this is by far maybe one of the prettiest spots I think I've ever picked.
Like it's delirium. Ay, like it's delirium.
Backflip. Rolls. Oh, we get away from those cars over there. What's my battery voltage?
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain.
Pretty cool little path down here.
Just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were unfamiliar.
Can I dive on this, you think?
Come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race,
There
I
you
just
go.
float on three. Got a vibe.
There's me and there's Jonathan. Hey, Jonathan.
Let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with troops. Ain't no inches in the
Some bikers coming up here.
flex, but I found God once in the final set. Talk
Where you going, bikers?
speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift, but the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. What a healing, don't shout, but
Very
it's
cool.
still got hope. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul.
Man, I wish I had one of my 04 4K cameras with me.
Got the world
Darn it.
up and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let
Alright, let's bring it into land.
We're
not messing around out here.
I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul.
Sweet. Alright, I think maybe one more battery and we'll be good. Alright, let's go do battery number 3.
I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.
Alright, back for battery number 3. DVR is on, VTX is on and working. Again, that VTX for the Air75 was just not seeming to be too happy, so... Alright, let's arm the motors, and let's take off.
You say you need your space.
Let's go over this way a little bit more and then we'll come back.
I read your silence louder than most. One day you're warm.
That's cool with the cargo ship going through the bay, under the Bay Bridge.
Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but
Very
you
cool.
ration yours. But you ration
buzz
yours.
past
You
here.
open up just to close the door. Just to close the door. I stay up late trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love for moves that change all the time. Change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin.
Go over this way just
If
a
you ride
touch.
for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin.
Careful because the wind's pushing me this direction.
Halfway in, halfway
It's the newer side of the Bay Bridge over there, and again, Treasure Island.
when the nights get
Man, this is so cool. I'm so glad we came.
but then disappear.
So glad we came over to check this out.
I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you rushing.
The thing that like trips me out is like disorienting for some reason because it's so shiny.
Just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love for rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Don't be drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Why you always halfway in?
All right.
When I know I could swim.
Another minute left here.
Baby, say it with your chest.
I mean, I could just keep flying batteries all day. I don't know if you want a 20-minute long video with the same couple of views though or not.
Don't wanna love this paper thin.
Super glad we got to stop here and do this. Had a great time in San Francisco this weekend. We're gonna go drive out and see an Oakland A's game tonight.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. 30's my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacked in miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, she probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking out tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Went in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is do it, no way around it. Before we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage, I'ma always be solid.
Well, behind you still counts. Alright. Nah, maybe I'll do one more battery. Alright.
The time that it takes, I made for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog.
Alright, I think last battery, guys. Last battery. I wanted to stay all day and fly all my batteries, but we gotta get going. It was just a pit stop. So, alright, cool. So DVR's on. BTX is working. Motors are armed. Let's take off.
I just did 10, gotta go. Go.
This way a tiny bit.
Go. Get off your phone, can't sit at a green light. Look how that shine reflect like a ring light. This is my podium talking to.
I'm barely doing anything and the wind's just carrying me. Look how far away we are already.
They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking
about back and stay over here.
They talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same. Off of the password, back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping the page. I'm gonna be the last one.
Hi, Mary.
Walk with the nearest, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like it ain't a thing.
Hi, Jonathan.
Doing them hills, we running up. Hotel bar after the gig. Something to sip and getting drunk. For the case, baby, we gonna dip. Was I bad in them apartments? Started hitting the target. Started flooding the market. Started moving smarter.
Where are you going?
Stack it up till it can't fold.
Okay, this is my last battery.
I just did 10 in a row.
Super pretty views up here from the sky.
Stack it up till it can't fold.
My wife.
I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Go.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit.
I know how to do a trippy spin. That'd be cool right here.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit.
I just want to stay out here all day and fly. I don't want to leave.
Where I wanna visit. Oh, just breathe in.
Alright, we got about another minute to go.
Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night.
Alright, we're down to 3.3.
Got a time.
Okay, you know what? Let's bring it in. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a great time flying today. Thanks for hanging out and watching me. What a beautiful sight. Next time I promise I'll bring one of my 4K drones with me. And fly a little bit further maybe with the Avata. But yeah, thanks a lot. We'll catch you on the next video.
Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I'm living life right like I could just.
Okay, one last battery.
Going for a ride.
One last one. DVR's on. I'm here. You know, I might as well get some last footage. All right, DVR's on. ETX is on. Arm the motors. Take off.
Everybody's chasing fast, they wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be like by
Over here a little tiny bit. Just check out the bridge from this side.
And it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can
Look at that. Look how cool that is. Man, I'm glad I got this last shot. Very cool. Man, it's windy out here. It just carries you away. So pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna come back and land.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
All right, gonna be a lot of people up here, so let me bring it in and land it, and we'll be done. My last landing was my worst. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.